What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got an interesting one. If you're an absolute newbie to this world, to this Toyota world, obviously if you're new to this world, you probably are still counting on your mom or dad. But if you're an absolute noob to the Toyota world, just to the truck world in general, we're gonna be talking about if stock tires are good enough, because quite frankly, up until this video, they haven't been. Let me explain. I really don't like spiders, and there's a spider right there crawling away. Could have got on my phone, I would have been absolutely clueless, and it would have destroyed me. So this is what we're rocking. We're rocking some skinny Pizza Cutter wheels. We got 245/75 Firestone Destination LE2s. Now these are a passenger tire. You'll find this on like a RAV4. You'll find this on like a Honda Pilot. I've had the luxury of having bigger, beefy off-road tires, so I know a little bit, and that's what we're gonna be comparing this directly to. I had the Falcon Wild Peak ATW3s or AT3Ws. You know what I'm talking about. If you're looking to get new tires, just give me a second. Maybe you don't need them. We're gonna be going over a few things that are very important. First off, most of the time these trucks are our daily drivers. Like, we use this to go to Walmart, get groceries, and then come back home. We use these to go to work. We use these more to do everyday things than we do to take it on a weekend trip that we plan 3 weeks in advance. So this is why I want to make this video. We're going to be talking about the ride quality, how they perform in everyday weather, and 3, we're going to be talking about how they perform off-road. You can't deny that a passenger stock tire is way better than an E-rated off-road tire. First off, they're bigger, they're heavier, they're clunkier on the road versus the slimmer, softer ride. So think about that. You're gonna give up ride quality. So that's the first downside to getting off-road tires versus just keeping your stock tires. Check out the Voodoo Blue on Voodoo Blue. Number 2, we're gonna talk about how they perform in the rain, the snow, the ice, all of those conditions, because I've thankfully been able to experience both. And the people in the comment section, help me out on this. Let me know if I'm completely off or if I'm making a little bit of sense. So me personally, I had the Falcon Wild Peaks for one winter. I had stock tires for like 3 or 4 now. And I have to admit, daily driving here in Virginia, we get like 2 to 3 inches of snow, and well, both times I was perfectly fine. I had a 2-wheel drive with stock tires, and I had a 4-wheel drive with big mountain tires. The only time I had to engage 4x4 was actually trying to get up my own driveway because it was too slippery. That's a bit embarrassing, but that's 4x4, not tires. That's a whole different topic for a whole different video. Now, I've only been driving for around 4 years. 4 years now, and I was able to experience the worst, the absolute worst storm I've ever driven in stock tires. And I gotta give it to the Firestone tires. They held up great. They made me feel safe. I didn't slip, I didn't slide. I had traction the whole time. Not once did my traction light come on. And that's something that you look for. That's something that you need in a tire that's gonna be driving you around, keeping you safe, but also your family, keeping them safe. So something to consider, something where in my Falcon Wild Peaks, whenever I was driving in rain, I don't know if it's because the wheels were heavier, if I was lifted, I don't know what it was, every now and then my traction light would come on. Something that is worrying, not reassuring, kind of made you feel like, what is going on? Quick side note, for any of my gear guys, what's a good pocket knife? I'm looking to spend like 50 bucks. What am I looking at for $50 on a good knife? I lost mine and I feel absolutely naked. I got this for $2. $2. It should hold me off until you guys give me some good recommendations. That's a TRD Pro 2015 in Inferno Orange. And last but not least, off-road performance, because this is something that people commonly misinterpret. So me personally, I went off-roading like 3 or 4 separate times in a stock Toyota Tacoma.
Hit the mud flap.
Of course, bigger, better tires are gonna be better, but for the people who are watching this video, for the person who's absolutely new and is just trying to get started, keep them stock, bro. Keep them stock, use them up, enjoy the truck. You're probably not hitting too hard of a trail if you're just starting. So don't go out and spend money like you are. Just get into the hobby, enjoy yourself, have some fun, and then when you feel like you need bigger tires, more contact patch, more grip, then maybe consider buying yourself some bigger tires. Me personally, I've had them both, and I've kept these tires on for a reason. I personally think staying stock is what I'm gonna do for quite a bit, because I'm absolutely loving the stock feel. I think the stock tires are great. I think they are more than enough, more than capable for what us beginners, us newbies are gonna be doing in our trucks. I hope this helped you guys out. If you guys are in the market, you guys just got your Tacoma, you wanna off-road with your buddies, you wanna go and have some fun, do not be deterred by your stock tires. Mudding is the one exception. You do not wanna be out there with these because you will not have any fun. The only fun that will be had is people making fun of you for getting stuck. For dry, loose stuff, I promise you these are perfectly fine. It really just depends on the drive. We're off-road right now, aren't we? Doesn't that count? And we got mud on the hood. I mean, we're doing something. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.